Good morning children. I hope class 6 children were watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. Yes, in last class we had seen simplification and we had learnt many things like use of brackets and V-Bodmas rule and few examples we had seen. I hope you must have started your exercise 6. If you have started, that is very fine. You must have completed also few of you. Those who have not started, be with your book and copy and together you try to learn. So we will solve today few questions from exercise 6. So you must watch properly so that you will learn. So together you try to learn. Here you see first question we have 21 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. So how we will solve, just you see. Here we have first question 21 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. Just you watch how we will solve. If you remember, it was told that first we will solve. Again I am telling you, V-Bodmas rule we had seen last day. V-Bodmas. So first we will start with vinculum. Vinculum means bar. So in this question you don't have. Then we will solve bracket. So again in this question you don't have bracket. Then we have off. Again in this question you don't have off. So we will start with division, because division we have and multiplication we have. So we will start with division. So this portion is required to be solved first. Watch properly, because this is very important to learn which portion is required to be solved and how it is required to be solved. So here you see we will note down 21 and then we have minus 12 divided by 3. So 12 is required to be divided by 3. So here we will divide 12 by 3. 3 4 is 12. Now you see what you have got? 4. So this 4 is required to be written over here. So we will write minus 4 and then you have into 2. Now again, which portion is required to be solved? So this underline what I am making, that is not required to be done in your copy. For making you understand I am doing. So this portion is required to be solved. Now multiplication. So 4 2 is 8. So we will write 21 minus 8. Now we need to subtract 8 from 21. So we will get 21 minus 8 is equal to 13, and this will be your answer. So in this way question is required to be solved. So you need to know which portion is required to be solved first. So we need to follow V-Bodmas rule. Second question we will see. So next question we have question number 2. Here you have 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. Now again we have plus means addition we have, division we have, subtraction we have and multiplication. So among these 4 operations, which one is required to be solved first? So we need to solve first division portion. 8 divided by 4. So this portion is required to be solved first. So we will see how we will solve. 16 and then we have 8 divided by 4. So we need to divide 8 by 4. So this will be 4 2 is 8. So we will write 2 over here. So we will write plus 2. Then minus 2 into 3 we have. Now we will see, here you have addition, here you have subtraction and here you have multiplication. So after division we need to do this operation multiplication. So we will write 2 3 is 6. So here we will write 16 plus 2 minus 6. Now, so simple it is. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18 and minus 6 we have. So, this will be finally 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 and this will be your answer. Next question we will see. Question number 3. Question number 3 we have 13 minus open bracket, small bracket we have 12 minus 6 divided by 3 small bracket closed. So now you see how we will solve. So first again we have bracket, small bracket. So first we need to solve small bracket. So here we will have 13 minus, this portion is required to be solved, and among these we have division. So division is required to be solved first. 12 minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 6 is required to be divided by 3. So 3 2 ja 6. So here we will have 2. Now 13 minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So that is required to be written 10, and now finally 13 minus 10 is equal to 3 and this is your answer. So simple it was. Next question we will see. Next question we have question number 4. Here you see we have 19 minus big bracket we have 4 plus curly bracket we have open 16 minus small bracket open 12 minus 2 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed and big bracket closed. How we'll solve this question? So easy it is, just you see. 19 minus big bracket open 4 plus curly bracket open 16 minus 12 minus 2. This portion is required to be solved because this is in small bracket. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Next step you see 19 minus 4 plus again 16 minus 10. So easy it is. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6, and then we will have 19 minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 and that will be equal to 9 and this is your answer. Next question we will see question number 5. Here we have 36 minus big bracket open 18 minus curly bracket open 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed and big bracket closed. Now we will see. Here we have 36. This is required to be just noted down. Minus big bracket 18 minus 14 minus, this portion is required to be solved within small bracket. What numbers are there? That is required to be simplified. So 15 minus, here you see 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 4 divided by 2 we will write minus 2 into 2. In next step we will write 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus, here you see again 2 into 2 will be 4. So we will write that, it will be better, 15 minus 4. Then in next step we will write 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 will be 11, and then 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 11 is equal to 3, and then we will have 36 minus 18 minus 3 will be 15. Now finally we will get 36 minus 15, it means 21, and this is your answer. So in this way questions are required to be solved. I hope up to here you have understood. Rest of the question just you try by yourself, otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.